Hi everyone, this is Travis Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. You're taking a look at a brand new 2019 Peterbilt 389 with 78-inch raised roof sleeper and a beautiful gunmetal metallic paint. You guys have seen plenty of our full owner operator spec. Well, this is still pretty much a great owner operator spec, but we put several things on here to save you quite a bit of money. First off, on the outside, it still looks like a full owner operator spec, but when you take a little bit closer, I'll point out some areas that we do save you some money. You still get a chrome bumper, but it's the tapered end instead of the larger Texas style chrome bumper. We still have horns out on top, but there's only 2 instead of the 4. One area we did not skimp on is the 7-inch dual stacks. Still even have the chrome elbows all the way up. Still have a 78-inch raised roof sleeper. You still have 110 and 150 gallon tanks on both sides. We did not put the additional toolboxes that allows you to have a 10-inch shorter wheelbase, so it is a little bit easier to steer. Still have the spring-loaded mud flap hangers, but they're not the premium ones. They still look great. They still work fine. Still have a really nice Holland fifth wheel with an air slide. It's the FW17 instead of the FW35. You do have aluminum wheels all the way around, but on the rear tandem it's aluminum outers and steel inners, so you are able to save money that way. You do have stainless steel quarter fenders. They're not the Hodge-built ones, they're the Peterbilt ones. They still work great, look great. They're a little bit cheaper than the Hodge-built ones. Coming inside, instead of having a platinum interior, it's got a prestige interior. Still have ultra-ride seats on both sides with their cloth instead of the black premium leather. A lot of you guys can't stand the navigation. Well, this one's full gauges. When you do have the prestige interior, it's a little bit cheaper going with the gauges, where the platinum comes standard with the navigation. You notice we don't have the additional cabinets, but you still have plenty of storage space in the top of your sleeper. We still put a brand new fridge in there, so you don't have to carry over your stinky old one. Still have usable windows on both sides, speakers on both sides, AC controls and your alarm. Still have your huge cabinet or closets. It's just not the ones with the closing doors. It's got the vinyl covers on both sides. And again, you still have room for your TV and microwave. And you still have your curtain to close out the sleeper, whether you just want to block out the sun or if you're driving team and one of you is sleeping. You have a 13-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. Still have stainless steel 15-inch dual breathers. It's just not the premium ones. Underneath the hood, you still have the Cummins X15 engine. It's the efficiency series, but it's on the top in the efficiency series with a 500 horsepower, 1650 torque. Still a great truck. Many owner operators would be happy to drive this one and save some on your budget if you're not worried about all the extra chrome and bells and whistles. Give me a call, guys. We got plenty of trucks that can fit whatever needs or budget that you want. My cell is 817-504-7220, or shoot me an email, or come see us at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt right here in Irving, Texas, off of Loop 12 and Union Power. Thank you.